Everyone, let's not forget to repeat Kashma after Tzedek Chavim. So we learned this morning about Lo Yilbash, about not acting like beautifying herself like women, putting makeup and dressing like women, and vice versa. And one of the things that we learned is if one is allowed to take pills to change his hair from white to black. And we mentioned how much of Feishten. So a few friends came to me and told me that maybe things change nowadays, and that's true, because this tshuva in Rav Moshe Feishten's book is written in Tafshin Yudalet. That was basically when the state of Israel was established 76 years ago. Okay, and if you read this book, it looks like really there's a serious problem of Lo Yilbash when a person is coloring his hair. Okay, but in the book Masot Moshe, that was many years after, somebody came to him, Rabbi Melech Blut, came to him and asked him this question: if one is allowed to color his hair, and he told him that if he's doing it because he wants to look like a lady, of course that's a problem. But if he's doing it for the sake of parnasa or for Shalom Bayit, and in parentheses he says he doesn't think it will help with Shalom Bayit, but that was the question. Okay, he says if it's for the sake of parnasa, you know, when you want to look young, right? Unfortunately, people want to hire people that look young or young. So then he says it's mutar. So the point how much of fashion says here, that if he's doing it for that sake and not just for look like a lady and so on, or beautify yourself like women are doing, that's mutar. But then he goes a step further here, and it says that today, since men and women are like in that area, they're equal, right? They're both beautifying themselves, and he brings the example of a mirror. That in those days, Shulchan Aruch says a man is not allowed to look at the mirror. Today, of course, we know everyone looks at the mirror. Okay, so he says if really today, Rav Moshe Feishten doesn't really know that. He says from his answer here that if we really know that this is it's something that's very common also among the people, among man, then of course one is allowed to do it even not for the sake of parnasa. He's allowed to color his hair. That's actually the opposite from what we said this morning. So very important to know that for the YouTube.